What's up? My name is Travis Robinson, and I work with NutriNRG. I'm really excited to be here with you today to share with you the 6 different opportunities that you have to make money while working with us. Whether you want to just make some weekend cash or if you're looking to make a full-time online career, really there's opportunity for you all over the board. And so I'm excited to get into these 6 different opportunities with you, and let's jump right in. Number 1, and the easiest way to make money, is the customer purchase. So super simple. Earn 50% of the dollar amount on all your retail customers' purchases. And then you also get 20% of the CV goes into your 2-team pay. And I'll explain first what the 50% means, and the 20% of the CV, that'll make sense in just a few minutes. So just here's a quick example. So pretend you are selling for NutriNRG and your friend Joe wants to buy a package of NutriNRG. So you sell him a $60 package of NutriNRG and he buys the product from you and he gets that product, and that's it. Of that $60, you get 50% of it, and so you make out with $30 instantly right then and there. So super easy. So if you want to sell 1 package per day for a month and just make some extra cash, then you can easily make $900 in a month. Straightforward. That money goes straight into an e-wallet that you can cash out every single week. Number 2, fast start. Earn 50% of the CV on the first order of every brand partner that you personally sponsor. So let me define just a couple things for you here so that there's no confusion. So CV means commission value. So it's basically just a point value that's assigned to the product packages, and I'll give some examples on the next slide of what I mean by that. And the next thing I want to define is a brand partner. So it's basically just someone who you sign on to be a distributor just like yourself. So you would be becoming a brand partner as well. So here's some different examples. So a $60 package has a point value of 45 CV, an $89 package has a point value of 70 CV, and a 210 package is 165 CV, and so on and so forth. And what I mean by package is that the $60, that gets you 1 package of NutriNRG, the $89 is 2 packages, 210 is more, and so on and so forth. So let's go through an example here. Let's pretend your friend Hannah wants to become a brand partner with NutriNRG. She buys the $89 package from you, which gives her 2 bags of NutriNRG and qualifies her to join your team. Instead of you getting 50% of the $89, you get 50% of the CV. So you get 50% of 70 CV, which ends up you getting 35 CV. So by Hannah getting signed up as a brand partner, you get $35 at the end of the week because of her purchase and becoming a brand partner. If Hannah was just a customer, not a brand partner, you would have made 50% of the final sale, the $89, which would have made you $45. So why would you want Hannah to sign up as a brand partner and make only $35 instead of making $45 if she were a customer? So that's going to make a little bit more sense in just a minute as I get into the other opportunities to make money, because having those brand partners and getting more awesome, amazing people on your team is going to help you in the long term as NutriNRG continues to grow and expand. So number 3, the third opportunity is called 2-team pay. This says earn up to 20% on the CV of your lesser volume team every week. So what does that mean? Let me explain something here first. So here's you at the very top. When you sign up Hannah, she becomes part of your team. As a brand partner, you have a right leg and a left leg. And so let's say that Hannah is put on one of your legs. When you sign up Hannah, she becomes part of your team. As a brand partner, you have a right leg and a left leg. Hannah is put on one of your legs. And then let's say you were able to get your cousin Alex to become a brand partner as well. As you, Hannah, and Alex continue to bring people on as brand partners, the amount of people under you continues to grow larger and larger. So let's say out of all these people, 5 of them you personally sponsored to become brand partners. So that's the 5 big circles that you can see there. And let's say the left leg has a total of 12,000 points and the right leg has a total of 10,000 points at the end of the week. Since these people are underneath you, you get up to 20% of the lesser volume team, which in this case means that you get 20% of the 10,000 points that your right leg got. And so the different qualification, whether you get 10% or up to 20%, that just depends on how many points that lesser volume team gets for that week. So at the end of that week, you get $2,000 in addition to any brand partners that you brought on, any sales that you made that week. And that's just because of the people who are on your team. Number 4, sponsoring matching. Earn a 20% check match on all your personally sponsored brand partners. So this match is based on the 2-team pay, which I was just explaining previously. So let's say that this is your tree. 5 of these people are brand partners you personally brought in. And let's say person A got $500 from the 2-team pay we talked about previously. Person B got $800 and person C got $100. On the right side, person D got $1,000 and person E got $400. So of all of these, if you total all of this up, that means that all the brand partners you personally sponsored, they earn $2,800 from the 2-team pay. So of that $2,800, you get 20% of that, and that leaves you with $560, again, on top of everything else that you made that week. Number 5, generation matching. This says earn a 10% check match paid on up to 4 generations of silver qualified brand partners or higher rank in your organization. So what is a silver qualified brand partner? So at NutriNRG, we just have different qualifications of depending on the amount of points that you earn that week. And so you need to be at least a silver qualified brand partner. That's not the highest qualification. And so it basically just means you're hitting a specific level of points that week. So let's get into an example here to show you what I mean. So let's say this person on the right made 8,000 points this week. And because they got 8,000 points, they are at least a silver qualified brand partner. Of those 8,000 points, they get paid 20% of that 8,000. And so that person made $1,600 that week because of the 2-team pay. Of that $1,600, you get 10% of that. And so you make an additional $160 from that one person on top of everything else that you get to make that week. So you can kind of start to see here how from these different bonuses, how if you are bringing new brand partners on and you're bringing qualified people on and you're training them and helping your team to reach their goals, how you as well can benefit from that and everyone can grow together and find success together. And so we're not looking to just bring anybody onto our teams, but really people who are wanting to put in the work and find success in their business that they're growing. This last way to make money is called the global bonus pool. So it says, as a diamond qualified brand partner, you earn a share in a 2% global bonus pool of the total company-wide sales every month. So this is pretty straightforward. If you are a diamond qualified brand partner every week for a month, you get a share of 2% of all the global sales of the entire company. So pretty awesome, right? And all you have to do is hit that diamond qualified brand partner status. Before I end, I want to tell you really quick why NutriNRG is a great company to work with and different from a lot of those other different companies that you might see out there that are trying to get you to go sell for them and work for them because they're showing you, Lamborghinis and big mansions and yachts and whatever. And so I just want to share with you why I personally work with NutriNRG and why it's an amazing company to get involved with. So the first way, number one, is that we don't just recruit people and tell them that they can make a bunch of money and then let them go struggle to make sales. We train our distributors on how to sell in person or online, And we don't just do this once when you first join. We continue to train and help each other improve over time so that we can all find success and reach our goals. Number 2 is that in addition to training, we provide the tools necessary to be successful, whether that is scripts to use on a doorstep or online tools to sell to people across the country. NutriNRG wants to do all we can to help you grow your business. Number 3, we don't require any major investment to join our team. It's so annoying that you have to take that risk with other companies to buy all this inventory or to pay this huge amount just to be able to sell for them, and we don't require any of that. As I said earlier, to become a brand partner, all it requires is that initial registration of $89, which gives you 2 packages of NutriNRG anyways, and now qualifies you to become a brand partner and begin selling with us and creating your own business. And number 4 is when you join NutriNRG, you become part of a team that supports you in your success. And so you get to learn from other people who have been doing this and are well seasoned and have learned a lot. But as you continue to grow and learn, you can also start building your own team as well. The 5th way or reason why I love NutriNRG is really the freedom. I mean, as I said earlier, you can sell online, door to door, however you want to find success. And there's no minimum amount of time or sales that you have to hit in a week or a month or a year, whatever it is. And so you have that freedom to sell and find the success in the way that you want to find success. So whatever you put into it, that's what you're going to get out of it. And the very last way of why I love NutriNRG is that when you join as a brand partner, you are creating your own business. It's your baby, so take care of it, put time and effort into it, and you will definitely be able to reap the rewards right now and later on down the line as you continue to work with us. NutriNRG really is an amazing place where we want everyone to feel supported through honesty and commitment. So make sure that you click on the button below to schedule a free interview and to see whether we're right for you and vice versa. We'll see if you're the right fit for NutriNRG. And so I'm excited to hopping onto a Zoom call with you on there, and I'll be talking to you in the future.